Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we are celebrating Doc Makana. Congratulations, Doc. 100 sub milestone. You're well on your way to a lot more than that. Your channel has blown up, which is awesome. What Doc wants us to do is to show them another way that they like to open locks. How else do you like to open locks? Well, I like to foil impression locks open. Dimple locks in particular like foil impressioning. So I have it all set up. If you want to know how to do this from start to finish, I do have a video on that process that I can link in the description below. But let's see how we go with this little attempt here. Haven't done it for a while and it is a lot of fun. Okay, gotta make sure this is super tight. Remove the blade. And grab hold of the beastie. Double check the tightness of this, which is just loosened. Alright, rocking and rolling. Well, that's what we do. We rock it, and keep rocking it. Sometimes it goes really quick, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what we get out of this time. Sammons gave me this kit in a win. Whoa. And Sammons and Lock Noob have just done videos on Dimple impressioning, and so it was a good reminder of how much fun is Dimple impressioning. So there you have it. Foil impressioning a dimple lock. That is a fun way to open a lock, and as you can see, you've got the dimples as in a bitting of the key, and you can use that. That is my fun way to open a lock. Big congratulations, Doc. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.